In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Hubspot sales extension. This process is quick and easy, taking just about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll head over to the Hubspot website. Opening your preferred web browser, type in the URL for Hubspot and hit enter. Upon arriving at the Hubspot homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and menus, but our focus is on the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. Now a new page will open up, prompting you to sign in. HubSpot offers various ways to log in, but for a smooth and quick process, we suggest using your Google account. Simply click on the Sign In with Google button. You'll then be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you wish to use with HubSpot, and just like that, you're logged in and ready to go. Next, we'll head over to the Chrome Web Store to find the HubSpot sales extension. Open a new tab in your browser and type in Chrome Web Store into your search bar. The Chrome Web Store should be the first result. Click on it to open the site. In the store's search bar, enter HubSpot Sales and press Enter. A list of related extensions will appear, but we're looking for the one from HubSpot itself. Once you find it, you'll see an option to Add to Chrome. Click on this button, and a prompt will appear confirming that you want to add the extension. Simply click Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to be able to access it quickly whenever you need it. Look towards the top right corner of your browser, and you'll see an icon that represents all the extensions you've installed. This usually looks like a small puzzle piece. Click on this extensions icon and it'll reveal a list of your extensions, including the newly added HubSpot Sales. To keep the HubSpot Sales extension readily accessible, we can pin it to your browser's toolbar. Next to the HubSpot Sales extension in the list, you'll see a small pin icon. Click on this pin and the HubSpot Sales extension will appear alongside your address bar, ready for you to use whenever you need it. With the HubSpot Sales extension pinned and ready, you can now easily manage your sales processes right from your browser. It integrates seamlessly, helping you track emails, log activity automatically, and more, making your sales process more efficient and organized. And that's it. You've successfully installed the HubSpot Sales extension and can now take full advantage of its features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.